Ducktyping in Python. Ducktyping is a core concept in Python's type system. It means that Python checks if an object can do a task by looking for specific methods or properties. Python does not care about the object's type or its inheritance. As long as the object has the right methods or properties, it can be used. Basically, it is based on polymorphism in object-oriented programming. What is ducktyping? Python widely uses a type system called ducktyping. This system checks what an object can do rather than its actual type. Many built-in classes and tools use ducktyping. This makes them flexible and allows you to use them in different ways. It is completely based on the polymorphism technique of object-oriented programming. It is mostly used in dynamic programming languages like Python, Perl, Ruby, PHP, JavaScript, etc., where the type or the class of an object is not as important as the method it defines. Syntax of ducktyping. It has no specific syntax, but we can take reference from this syntax. Class A. Def fun, self, hash defined body. Class B. Def fun, self, hash defined body. Def ducktyping fun, object. Object.fun. obj1 equals A. obj2 equals B. Ducktyping fun, obj1. Ducktyping fun, obj2. Parameter. Self. The self parameter holds the reference to any one instance, object, of the class. Object. It is a parameter that holds the instance that is calling the method. obj1. Instance of class A, obj2. Instance of class B. Examples. Example 1. Simple ducktyping concept. The following example demonstrates the above real-life example discussed in the above paragraph on how a simple ducktyping concept works. Hash creating employee 1 class employee underscore 1. Hash printing role of employee. Def role, self, print, I am doing development. Hash creating employee 2 class employee underscore 2. Hash printing role of employee. Def role, self, print, I am doing testing. Hash using ducktyping method def hour underscore actions, person, role. Hash creating instance emp1 equals employee underscore 1, emp2 equals employee underscore 2. Hash calling functions hour underscore actions, emp1, hour underscore actions, emp2. Output. I am doing development. I am doing testing. Explanation. In the above example, we have two classes and two methods with the same name in both classes, but their body definitions are different. Then we created a ducktyping method outside the class, which is able to access the body of each method of the classes based on function calls by objects or instances. This allows the object to understand the actions of the object. It does not care about the object's type or its inheritance. Example 2. Using a default constructor in ducktyping. The following example demonstrates how we can initialize the properties or variable data using a default constructor and display those properties using ducktyping techniques. Hash creating class person. Hash defining name using default constructor. Def underscore init underscore self, name, self.name equals name. Hash printing name of person def print name, self print, self.name. Hash creating class car. Hash defining name using default constructor. Def underscore init underscore self, name, self.name equals name. Hash printing name of the car def print name, self print, self.name. Hash using ducktyping method def display name, obj, print name. Hash creating instance obj1 equals person, RAM, obj2 equals car, Tesla. Hash calling functions. Display name, obj1, display name, obj2. Output. RAM, Tesla. Explanation. In the above example, we created two classes and initialized a default constructor in both classes to take input or define data members. Then inside both classes, we create two methods with the same name, i.e., print name, which is used to display the name of the object that is calling the method using the ducktyping method. Then we create a ducktyping method in which we can access the methods of both classes and check which object is accessing the method. Then, after, we created instances of both classes, i.e., obj1 and obj2. Then, at last, the object calls the ducktyping method using its instance. That's all for this video. Join our WhatsApp channel and developer community channel on WhatsApp to get knowledge about latest technology and stay updated in community channel.